Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make a fresh garden salad with the coconut chutney vinaigrette. For the fresh garden salad, we're going to need nice amount of romaine lettuce, some mixed greens which has spinach, tomatoes, cucumbers, and of course a breast of chicken. For the dressing, we're going to need is this vinegar. And I've specially taken apple cider vinegar because it's got that tangy taste to it. Our coconut chutney, then there's some garlic to it, salt and pepper, and of course olive oil to make the dressing. Hey there, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, the Topper Chef channel, now's the time for you to subscribe to look at this fantastic recipe, this dressing. So I started with adding my coconut chutney, little of garlic into it, and then our good amount of this apple cider vinegar. Okay, so just whisk this really well. I can smell the vinegar. Now to this, add your dressing slowly. Don't make it very vinegary. This is enough for what we are going to do. And so to this, I'm going to add some generous amount of pepper and salt to taste. Okay, here's the dressing, it's ready. Okay, for our fresh garden salad, we're gonna, as you can see, I've used lettuce, romaine lettuce, and radish, tomatoes, all that stuff. Okay, so just toss it good, well, like this, and then I'm gonna add my dressing to it and toss it well in the dressing. A generous amount of this dressing here. Then just this nice smell of the garlic and the chutney is amazing. So press it, and now is the time you can chill it for maybe 5 minutes or so, and then ready to serve it whenever you are ready to eat. Well, hello there. We're ready to serve our garden salad. And if you have not subscribed to our food blog, which is the topperchef.com food blog, do subscribe right now. And we're going to end making this fantastic salad. So let me show you how to assemble this with all this trimmings to it. Now to this you can add your chicken. This is nicely grilled chicken. And sprinkle some nice cheese on it. Wow, look at this fantastic salad. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking! Enjoy!